Yo, me never want to say it, but me have to go say it and done. Cartel, you have to go do gun song. Cause piece I go left here, Cause Mavado drop one song when name Empty Barrel. And me I tell you, so I fling some shot over Alkaline side. Cause I remember Alkaline producer on this in the air and flex off the road.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
Big up Future Fambo, And even though Vkartl have more impact in a dancehall than enough artists, including Future Fambo, however, Future Fambo teach with something at 2026. So you can be yourself, and people love you, and give the platform, and say you run with it. Correct?
A few moments later.
Do good. They how come that the boy they over the other side that come talk about bad mind people. Eh? Future Fambo, watch yourself on them, cause they don't like you because you take over the blood clot internet. All in reality show flop.
People may need some richer haters.
Look at this now. This man is so rich, but this man is miserable.
Damn! In Vkartl, he was the one who couldn't go back in his neighborhood. Yeah. The song that he did, Empty Barrel, is another 9-day talk song. After 9 days, that's it. It's a crash. Like a crash dummy.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are going, you don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah, man. People. We're going, big up on yourself, you know. No Media Fox go to work. Yeah, man. People. A bag of thing are going. Bag of thing. Me say the whole of them want Mavado and Alkaline go at it. A long time them want, you know. Yeah, man, from MVP, man. I tell you. From MVP, them want it long time. Cause look here. You see, Alkaline is a powerful youth. You understand? So them try them best. Did I try to get somebody when close to a wood, they run him. You understand? For try to weaken him strength. But them don't know say how them they youth they 10 step ahead of them. You understand? So what's the Necko fire run out? You must see a bag of thing. Sometimes people, you have to just laugh, you know, cause it's like them people. That's why I'm telling you, you know, you don't know Alkaline yet. You see what not talk? Alkaline been see this long time. You know, the youth been a sing it in a song and not realize. You understand? Yeah, man. Brain come like a matches box. You see it? Yeah, man. So we hear when Necko fire say people.
Yo, I never want to say it, but I have to go say it and done. Cartel, you have to go do gun song. Cause piece I go left here, Cause Mavado drop one song when name Empty Barrel. And me I tell you, so I fling some shot over Alkaline side. Cause I remember Alkaline producer on this in the air and flex off run out, you know. Me say man have a song when name Empty Barrel. I tell them say them no bad. I remember say Alkaline have the song on him album when name Bad, on the MPT album. And be the song when name Graduate. So, no gun song. Actually, gun song right now, me you know, we are going to run the summer go to December, you know. The Mavado, Empty Barrel. The squash and the massacre, you know, that gone already 16, you know. I'm here, high water with a bad song too. No left me gun. Bad song too.
Yo, sometime, I tell any people. Wait, the last song when Mavado put out, the stick. One to the stick, on the WYFL rhythm. One to Big Guns. One to them song there. Me don't understand. Cause I guess you not try to use Alkaline to promote that song. Yeah. Remember it to no use for promote the song on Vkartl album, you know. And that song they not gonna away, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. So me no know where we not try though. But brother, it nah work, me G. Wasting the time, brother. We don't realize how deck in Alkaline say that a party when over the side yip yap. We don't see what going. Eh? Song go run sema. Make we see. Cause that you say if you rest of the song them. You understand? That you say if you rest of the song them. Is it?
Teacher, you have to go find a gun song, man. You have to go find a gun song. Teacher, happy. You pay some left your teacher. You have to go find a gun song before you're done. You have to do it. Mavado, they didn't have to deal them, so you know. Mavado said them not bad, they will buy brand new gun and now bust them. Never cover over there. Yo, Mavado easy, you know. People don't go listen to song them. You're not going to listen to Mavado song. I want to go listen to a live water song too. I be a things I'm going to dance. I be a bad people time now. Bad people time now. It's a bad man summer. What the fuck go find a gun song too? Yo.
People. You know why funniest thing? People? And this is why you see a lot of people on Alkaline fall out. It's like, you see him and them fall out. It always be like this. You always see Alkaline and people fall out, right? But like a few months after or a year after, you realize why him and them not deal. And it's so funny that when Cartel they are prison, see, Mavado there, him never really do much like that and all of them thing there. But when Vkartl come from prison now, him all out, all about the place, everything. It's so funny. Then after that now, you realize say, alright, the goalie and the Gaza thing. Cause me not really have no problem if him a do the goalie and Gaza thing, you know. That are the least. Him a do him thing whatsoever. You understand? That's not a problem. But it's so funny that as far Vkartl forward out from prison, him active. And a lot of people may hear say it. And it's so funny now. Them a say immature song after Alkaline. And a bag of thing. So me I say, I don't understand this. Because if I the road them over the one go down, it's a go even worse for him. You understand? Because imagine to the big artists them want take down the youth here. It'll only make him greater. You understand? It's so funny. That's when him and Cartel are link. You hear this narrative or him fling song or shot or whatsoever. Music jams over Alkaline when him and Cartel start link. It's so funny. But let me tell you this, people. See, dancehall is a very hypocrite sport, you know. Because look here now, when Mavado and Alkaline are link, where Jamil creates so-called, we call it MVP. It's so funny that them usually say, oh, this the bill against the Gaza. Right? That they must say, no. Then they look Jamil cut. Now, it seems like Mavado and Alkaline are too like that. See? But you see the goalie and the Gaza thing now. And sometimes you sit down and you wonder and you say, okay, only when Alkaline and somebody do something, a team up against. But when other people are team up, it's not against Alkaline. It's so funny. Don't people? Remember them usually say, yo, MVP, the man and Bill MVP, if you go against the Gaza thing, wait. I say, oh, okay. So no pray. But me not hear nobody I say, oh, the goalie and Gaza thing against Alkaline. I remember say Cartel usually go after Alkaline, you know. And now Mavado go after Alkaline. So how me not hear nobody I say them team up against Alkaline? That's why I try to show you people. That's why Alkaline not to him give him energy into people. You understand? Because everything switch round now. But me not hear the same narrative when them usually say MVP usually do. You understand? So that me I try to show you people the hypocrite thing in a dancehall. You hear what them say? When the goalie and Gaza link? Oh, the man them a brother. Oh, so when Mavado and something that you could say a friend them, a people where them respect each other. I could not like that. Oh, them bill it because for go against the Gaza thing. I see him thing on the supposed to say now, you know. Yeah man, the goalie and Gaza thing against Alkaline, the vendetta. And that on the supposed to say. You understand? But that's why I tell you people, anytime you see nobody and Alkaline fall out, you always see why him and them fall out down the line. Yeah man.
That's a nice one. Big up Future Fambo, you know. And even though Vkartl have more impact in a dancehall than enough artists, including Future Fambo. However, Future Fambo teach you something in 2026. So you can be yourself, and people love you, and give the platform, and say you run with it. Because right now, the dancehall Future Fambo, the artist dancehall artist in the dancehall space now, locally and on the internet. But guess what? Him never low him character, him never do certain things, forget the clout there, or the attention there. While you have other dancehall artists, we have a bigger name and more impactful in the genre of dancehall. Them that for come out in a brief, forget the same attention we Fambo have. This for sure the youth them say, we don't have to do what enough idol do, or the people want to rate, to actually create an impact. Because I see the man from nowhere just come just nice up the internet, and at the man at the moment now, and he always are going to make people laugh and love him because I'm humor and in personality. That is just...
Bro, it's like, bro, we have to just understand, so bro, Cartel is not that person, G. Cartel just can't be him himself, bro. We have to understand him, have to put on a character. That's him. That's what's been working for him all these years. The bleaching, the tattoo, every little thing. He have to do these things for gain attention, me G. Him can't just be himself. For sure, yo. You feel like say at that time Vkartl could have just stay black without bleaching and create that impact there? Him couldn't do that, my G. Him do that for bleach and all of them look something here. Change himself. You understand? You notice say him come back out of prison now. Look here now. Vkartl before him go prison, bleach, everything, tattoo. Zane, controversy, everything. Right? Because he want to gain the attention. Him go prison, come back out, him say him stop bleach. Him a be back himself now. You realize say is a two different, him being in himself now based on him not bleach no more and all of them little thing there. You notice say that contract, that thing they not really stick with him like that. So what him do, him go up on the media, see him like you say, wind up in a brief and one bag of something and way. Him have to do that because him actually look the way him supposed to look. Now, him not bleach again and them little thing there. So him have to go time way if he do things. You understand? By not being himself. You see it? So I just saw it go, my G. You see, Fambo just a be himself, same way. And him just a get that vibes. I just Fambo that. And everything happen. Fambo, I just Fambo time. You see me? I just one of them thing there. When Vkartl just forward out from prison, yeah, him did a go on with that thing, mash up the internet and a bag of thing. No, people are gonna move on from that. That done. Them done see him already, him they road already, everything. Now a Fambo a nice being personality and all of them. Remember, you know, brother, when it comes to Vkartl, you know, it's not a laughter, you know. Vkartl, nobody not really be a laughter when it comes to Vkartl, because at the end of the day, I guess the Vkartl people have to be rich to talk to him. No poor people can talk to him. So the thing is that Fambo make people laugh and be happy, which is good for society than people in a depression. But Vkartl is not doing that. The way him talk, him a put down people. So poor people are watching him live and way. Right? Him a go say, yo, people broke and every little thing. What that I go do to people? That I put them in a more depression and beat down upon them and everything. Fambo make them laugh. Make them happy. You understand? That's the difference.
Listen to everyone on the learn. Don't learn yourself for social media, hype and cloud. Remember, Necko fire this in the dancehall HR. No? I know, I don't do what them do. Remember, you have one selector come out and tell you them to walk with the purse. I remember me say, real man no purse. I remember me say, you can't see your greater in the street. So big up future Fambo. Our people understand the lesson and the message when you have to make sure we are crossing. You know? And money is not everything. We need money, you know, because a tool to survive, but money is not everything. So don't make no trick, you know, if you feel like your money is money. Money is not everything, but we need money to get you to work hard.
Me have to rate Fambo, because Fambo beat himself on the app and take over the internet by storm. You see? Because, guess what? The Almighty God said, you don't have to use no makeup or no additive when you come to him. Come as you are, just as I am. You see what I say? Just as I am without one fault, just as a blood. Yes, so Fambo beat himself and take over the net. While me see some people over here fake it every day and I talk about bad mind people. You see? Listen man, Fambo, may the good Lord protect you. Psalms 121. If a boy touch you to bumbo rascal. Remember me tell you, 77 years of destruction gonna hold them bumbo clot. When them dead to blood clot, end up is still torment to blood clot. Like when Bob Boy tie up bumbo clot, anything and he sprang them and juke them. You see? God protect future Fambo. Because future Fambo are the new TikTok sensation, you know. You hear me, you know? Because I make one video say he go on TikTok before he go write song and he hear me and he do better. Me say everybody me put me mouth pan to blood clot. They always do good. They how come that the boy they over the other side that come talk about bad mind people. Eh? Put your Fambo watch yourself on them because they don't like you because you take over the blood clot internet. All in reality show flop. Remember me say a Fambo the man now. So any boy think say you can't see Fambo and do nothing. 77 years what a judgment pound of bumbo clot. Remember me tell her one dango says so big up yourself future Fambo. I don't know friend me I look neither. Because I don't come over here and look for a blood clot from people. You see what me I say? So big up future Fambo.
People may need some richer haters.
Look at this now. This man is so rich, but this man is miserable. This man is not pleasing with himself of what life has brought unto him. You see me? This man need to go search his own self and see where he went wrong. Because if he ever like the mirror, still a show him sign. Like he out for crack when he looking at it. Can you imagine? Every day, sir? Eh? You get up and talk about eater. You know, I don't have to worry about eater, bro. Plate full of food, fridge full of food. When you eat rich. When you drive rich. So what happened to you now?
Are the same are the same people them see make him have what him have right now. You understand? Not because somebody talk about you means you hate them hate you. You understand? Sometimes I cannot do something and people just talk. I not hate. But you have to just understand, say, I just Vkartl that. You see me? For him forward out and him a keep him first show a stadium. Him been tell people, him been say, yo, broke people and all of them things and all that. I mean, I say, brother, you never born with gold spoon in your mouth. You understand? So when you go say broke and haters and all of them little thing there, I just say it go, bro. You see, the thing is that, you know, Vkartl fought out from prison and never know say the world has changed. Where it no matter who you be, no matter how much money you have, people are going to start the truth. And that's the problem, people. So him feel like say, oh, him a the man. So anything him do and all of them little thing. Remember, you know, brother, you always afford by the media some of the time, you know. And yeah, say, yo, you want some rich haters and broke people, all of them look at something. You always, that's why I try to show you, say, you can't motivate the youths. You understand? Because youths say, I'm broke and no money and every little thing. The things them you say, I go beat them on the youths them. You understand? I just that. And that's why maybe Fambo, I take over the thing right now. Because Fambo put a laughter, make people laugh. Make poor people and rich people laugh. It have a balance. You see me? Every day Vkartl get up, rich, this, that, way. I always tell people this. It no matter where you have me, G. You come without it, you're going to leave without it. You understand? I just one of them thing there. I guess him maybe just I get used to certain things, so that's why I use it as a weapon. I don't know. You understand? But I just saw a thing come, G. And everything lasts forever. You see me?
Eh? Look on Future Fambo. Future Fambo take on the app just as he is to Rasclat. He never go fix no mouth, he never go brush no teeth, he never clean out his nose. And the man take over the internet. Eh? And you out there so now I worry about haters and I talk about your money. Acting proud. When the Bible already mentioned a lot of things about these things that happening with the rich man, how the rich man worshiping wealth and what will happen to the rich man when the rich man brag about his own self. Too proud. Eh? Bro, listen man, calm down and go Bill. You said you don't make reality show. But if you ever like said, a confusion, you just confused, bro. Chill and go Bill, no man. Jesus Christ. You brother, you have everything, so we are worried about bad mind for. Mind it turn back around for him. That mind of bad mind that we are talking about, mind it catch you back. Your bumbo clad.
Malidan, your review was on point. It was exact to the teeth. That man
People big up Mavado, you don't know.
is showing jobs at Alkaline. Empty barrel? He is the empty barrel that be making all that life. He's an echo. That is that man that sing that song. Yeah. Hypocrisy, he was the one who couldn't go back in his neighborhood. Yeah. The song that he did, Empty Barrel, is another 9-day dog song. After 9 days, that's it. It's a crash. Like a crash dummy. So he might come back with something else. He need to find himself some billboard hit. Some song mechanic and make sense to other people. Yeah. You can't be coming and throwing jobs at Alkaline. Alkaline is in a
You know what the funniest thing? Right now, let me tell you, Mavado a big artist, good artist. We can't take with that from him. But Mavado just don't have that type of, what do I call it? Energy there that impact there really right now. Especially when it comes to command fans and all of them little thing there. But then him did have that. But him not have that right now. You understand? The only reason why Mavado in the conversation right now are because of Alkaline. If Mavado just dropped that song there without Alkaline name, nobody would even mention that about it. If you realize, same like when Alkaline just forward and busting a game. Remember say nobody never damaged Mavado like that. See? When Alkaline say, yo, big up man like Mavado and Ayactane, that's when Mavado enter the conversation. You understand? Because Alkaline was a hot artist at that time. See me? Then now, forwarding, your ear say Mavado and Alkaline fall out. See him Alkaline again. You understand? So, at the end of the day, Alkaline, I make him name active. You see me? Him, remember, him just do gully, him just do the stage show, 9-day wonder. Gully and Gaza thing. Him drop a song after. Oh. Alkaline again. Alkaline. Because why? Him and Alkaline usually power and him fall out. Every time him name call. When the song drop on Vkartl album, them say Alkaline, Cartel and Mavado throw shades off and bag of thing. Everything I does Alkaline, Alkaline, Alkaline. You understand? Imagine you just do Sunfest. And when you so-called the first song where you drop, them say, yo, brother, I tell. Alkaline always a bring back Mavado. And a real thing, a facts that. You understand? See him with that Alkaline say my MVP. You understand? Can picture this. See how the Mavado and Jamil did that link. Just pre the energy there, so. It wouldn't be a thing. I must say, Jamil name the group, you know, name the link up, you know. It's the same man, Vendetta, the Gully, and the Patriot. But something that Jamil name it MVP, him name it. It was the Alkaline and Mavado. Jamil say it himself. You understand? So, I just say it go. I just Alkaline kind of keep Mavado in a space right now. Yeah, and I remember say like few years ago, Mavado was in the conversation, bro. He was in the conversation. You understand? I seen everybody I find out say yo Alka and Mavado on a link. You see me? I just that. But him just can't just go and do him thing. If he want to throw him shades and bag of thing, brother. As we say, Alkaline say yo. You see me? We love party, we love rum right now. Alkaline leave now made that. You see me? A deck in the morning. You see it?
Different from you and whoever it is. He's not class to live by himself. Remember, he's the golden child. Yes, he is the golden child. So come with some better 9-day song and stop throwing jobs at Alkaline. Malidan, your review was on point. It was on fleek.
Yeah, man. Big up Malidan. Big up Malidan.
It was everything. It says everything. You get what I mean? But he might throw jobs on himself. Another 9-day song. Remember the stick song with there? Where the stick song there? That was only for 9 days or less. And this is another 9-day song. The cap fit him and him about wear it because that song suitable for him. And him at the empty ball and him make nice. Him looking at a direction and nobody now look. He said ducky back now have no direction but him at the ducky back. Come on, mister. Come with some better song. I find some billboard hit. I find some song that people talk about for days and months and whatever it is and leave Alkaline alone. Yeah, Judas Treadbag. Malidan, the review was on fleek. Yes. And you know I'm looking into it and it does. It's talking about the guy. Yeah, but how you gonna talk about somebody when you're not on them level, you beneath them. The man I do show a solo show and everybody I interact with him. Them I interact with him, toe to toe with him song them, the audience. How about you though? How about you? You little traitor. He's a traitor slash hypocrite. You. But you come to show jobs. Get out of here with that crap and go find you some billboard hit guys. Yeah. You know what happened? Deckings for you. Deckings for you in the morning.
Make them know them, make them know them, man. As me say people, Mavado do him thing. And if you just go and do him thing and enjoy the 15 minutes of fame. You understand? Yeah, man. Because, to be honest, when it was the MVP thing, to be honest, people, I never say like me even penetrate with that because you don't know. But know so when it comes to Alkaline, it's like I don't know. Him and people always know. Like the energy. Because you just always see what happened after that. You understand? I see some look video from the early stage. I say, yo. It's the energy, yeah. But me just love it. Me not say none. You understand? But see it now, everything right in everybody's eyes right now. You see me? But as me say, a man can't just do what he can do, you know? Yeah, man. He might get back a little highlighter now. Yeah. You see? But people, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know one media facts. Yeah, man. That is it.